Vince Dambros with Helix Water District's Public Affairs team. Today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common leaks in your home, toilet leaks. When a toilet leaks, it can use a lot of water. A running toilet can fill a swimming pool in as little as 3 days. And they're not as obvious as other leaks because the water flows directly to the sewer where it's out of sight and out of mind. First off, testing for leaks is easy. Place some dye or food coloring into the tank. Dye lets us find leaks that we wouldn't be able to see or hear. And wait 15 or 30 minutes. If there's dye in the bowl, you've got a leak. If you have a leak, check to see if you need to replace the flapper or the fill valve. Open the tank lid. If the water is below the overflow tube, you have a flapper leak.
Shut the water off.
Replace the old flapper, attach the new one, and connect the pull chain to the flush lever. Cut off any excess chain. You don't want it to get under the flapper's seal. Check again for leaks to make sure the flapper's working. If the water is flowing up and over the overflow tube, your fill valve is either leaking or set too high. Tighten the float adjustment knob to get the water level correct. It should be about 1 inch below the overflow tube. Check for leaks again. If the fill valve is still leaking, you'll need to replace it. And you can buy these at any local hardware store. Don't be intimidated either. These are pretty easy to install. Just follow the directions. If you've had enough and want to get a new ultra efficient toilet, you can get a rebate at SoCalWatersmart.com. Thanks again, see you next time.